Hello everyone, today in this video I'll be showing you guys how you can change names in your iPhones or in iMessage. So in order to do that, you need to open your iMessage application, and from here you just need to select the person you want to change the name. For example, it is one of my friend. I want to change the name to something else. You need to tap here once on the logo down below. Tap here once, and after that this screen will appear. And from here you need to select the info option. And from here, as you can see, this page will appear. From here you need to tap the edit button, and from here as you can see, this name is this. I want to change it to something else, so let's change to all right, so let's see. As you can see, the name has been changed. So yeah, that's how you change the name of your contacts on your iMessage or your Android.